Once you've chosen your folder options for folder and subfolder, Practicad also gives you the ability to put in text, which will be part of the name of each individual takeoff. Thus far, the only names we've had for our takeoffs have actually come from the group name. You could see here if we click on group, we had created three groups in earlier sections of this tutorial: order, HP, and LP. And if you come all the way down to the bottom right and you look at the sample field, you can see right here that the last folder that's created is called October 2011. It's based on the month and year. And then the name of the takeoff is going to be order underscore one. Now, if we didn't have any groups created, it would just be called underscore one. Inside the folder, October 2011, we would just have underscore one. In that particular case, you might want to be able to give it a name. Now, you can use name in this particular field in combination with group name as well. For example, here we're going to put in name. We're just going to say PCAD takeoff. And here under sample, you can get a look at what would happen if we had no group names created and we downloaded this takeoff. When it exports to Practicam, the name of the takeoff is going to be called PCAD takeoff underscore one. The next one would be underscore two. If we've got group names created, let's just go to group, and we basically look at order, and we come down here to the bottom right, you can see here that we've got PCAD takeoff underscore order underscore one. So what we've got is we've got the name field from the takeoff tab, and then we got the group name field from the group tab. So we can have both embedded in the takeoff file's name as well. You can use one or the other. It's all about how long and how much information you want to get into that file. If we press OK right now, and we go into that file and we just look at the subfolders we created, here in the PCAD training video folder, we have PCAD export folder, we have Practicad training videos. Here's our last subfolder, October 2011. And in here you can see the name of the three takeoffs. We had three groups. So we've got name PCAD takeoff underscore, and then the group name HP1 for all three. So you can utilize the name field and the group name field, whichever one you like, to make sure that your takeoffs have the proper information as they're listed.